U MLA ke BJP uba hek ulak pentikna ba ke parti kan Pynïeng Kyrtong ha ke Elekshon Shiteng Samoi Napoh Gambegre Constituency. Habakren sikila pathai kubor ha ke sengi baar uba hek ulak penpau ba ke parti ha ke jingelang ke berangsyen ha tura na ke liang kinong kersyan kila rai ban Pynïeng Kyrtong da ke jing sengi uskam ha ke ne ke Elekshon Shiteng Samoi. Uba hek ulaong ba ke BJP kan Pynïeng Kyrtong da uba biang bah banyak kun persya bat kumjuru da ukertong uba don ke bok banjob. Ulaong ba ke parti kan kipnya bat pit bah habaro kilat haswa banjit yu ne ka Kyrtong uba bitam uba la ban poi syakatong.
So we had one meeting in Tura with so many Gambegre people from that constituency. Everybody are suggested that we should contest. So I told I was there with President, with Bernard, the Vice President, and all the party workers in Tura. We held a meeting, and we went also for the membership drive of the BJP, which is now happening in the whole country for the membership drive. So we discussed about this by-election also, and we are also telling that BJP should contest. So I don't know much about this constituency. When we are contesting to win.
And about the candidate, earlier it was said, Bernard Marak himself had also said that he would like to be if the High Command allows.
Now also he is intending to contest. If we have any candidate who is better have a better winnable chance, we should give to that only. We don't name whether A or B or C. The party we will do their own survey. If Mr. A is more chance than B or B is more chance than anybody, then only we'll decide on the candidate.